paint. You have to paint all this place. Paint all this place. This is number one. This place we have to change. No, we have to change all this because they are spoiled. Nobody take care of this place because we don't use the place again because the WCs are all spoiled. So all this place have to be changed. The WCs have to be changed. You have to paint the whole place and paint the doors too. That's number one. This is number two. The same problem. The same problem. The WC, the filter have to be. So the place is almost abandoned because things are out of hand here. So this is where Asanteman Group is doing us a favor to bring a new facelift to this place. This is toilet and bath. All this thing will be removed. All the WCs will be removed. We'll fix new washing basin. This is also the fourth basin. All the WCs will all be changed. The basin also has to be replaced. And all the tiles have to be cleaned. We have to get some chemicals to clean all the tiles to make it look beautiful. This is the fifth okay. So because all these things have to be changed. You can open that door for me. I cannot enter. We have to clean all this place. So you could see that because all the WCs are down, are not functioning, it seems this place is abandoned. Nobody takes care of it. But I'm sure with the support from Asanteman Group, we're going to have a new phase and the place will look presentable and acceptable. And it will also bring respect to all of us. Look at the workshop. These are the workshops. These are the administration. These are the this foundation was laid by on the 7th December 1984 by His Excellency the former President John Rawlings. These are the workshops. All the things that we are supposed to use to replace the old one. We have assembled. The plumber has just assembled them, and today he's coming to remove all the old one and then place the new one there. These are brushes so that any person who visits it have to clean it. And these are the 5 WCs that Asanteman in Finland has provided. We are very grateful to you. And this is the motto. This is the new motto that we are going to use to pump the water. In fact, the old one, before we bought this one, the old one has been temporary service. So that one is on now. But I know it will not last for too long. So we are going to use this new one. I wish I can open it. I wish I can open it. So this is powerful. This is 10 kVI, 10 horsepower, and the one that we are using is 7.5 horsepower. So this is going to pump more water than the one that we are using. So what we are going to do is that as soon as we finish everything, we are going to change this one to. We are going to replace that one because it's temporary maintained and it's now pumping water for us. This is the basin, the washing basin. The washing basin is 4. Here, we are here. And these are the accessories as part of the for the basin. These are the accessories. This is a thinner that we are going to use to clean the tiles. This is a temporary office that we use for internet. That's computer. Internet facility. This is a donation that we got. All these things, because we were arranging this, and that's why we left these boxes here. So, God willing, as soon as we have finished everything, we will also cover the new facelift, and then we will send it back to you for you to see that the money has been used for the purpose. In fact, I personally will be the happiest person as soon as the thing is done, because when visitors come here and they visit the place and it is as it is now, I think it shows the attitude, it confirms the attitude that the society have on the disabled. But if anyone comes here and he found out that the dormitories, our washrooms are all up to date, they begin to change their negative attitude towards us and begin to accept us and respect us. So Asanteman, we are very grateful, and we know as soon as we have finished everything, the Lord is going to use you as a channel of blessing to this center and to the disabled at large. I am here as the accountant and also the Federation of the Disabled within Bosontwe District. I'm the president. So much as I'm championing the cause of beautifying the center, I'm also championing the cause of the right of persons with disability within the Bosontwe District. My full name is Maxwell Jachie, and I hope we'll continue with the renovation, and as soon as everything is completed, you will get to know us. Bye, and God bless you. After the support, this place, there was no river bridge, there was no net, but now with the support we have been able to provide net to prevent insects from entering into the forest. Never cover it. So for everyone who comes here to know that this renovation was done by Finland, we have made this notice to fix it there so that whoever comes here will know the good work that Asanteman in Finland has done for Jachie Training Center. Now we enter to see what has been done. Yes. Originally, take your answer. Originally, there was no division anybody used anywhere, but now, with the support, this place is for all visitors. Any visitor who comes here have to use this one. You can enter. Just enter in and see. You take everything that is inside. The brush is behind. The brush. Bring the brush out. Okay. So now we provide toilet roll and then soap for washing hands. Okay. And then check the paint. And then the tiles have all been washed clean. This is for the visitors. So now any visitor who comes here will feel free if you want to visit the washroom. I'm very delighted for the support. We have provided all these locks so that anyone who is inside can lock him or herself up. Okay. Then we come to, this is the staff. This is the female staff. All the female staff have to use this place. All the female staff have to use this place. from Finland, Asanteman in Finland, created all this to make the renovation complete. So any staff who is female have to use this room. Yeah.
Much into
Yeah. So now from the staff female, then you come to student and staff female. This one is those student and staff who are in wheelchair and crutches. This is the convenient place for them. So here, this logo means that anyone who comes here, if you are not a disabled, don't use this place. It's only for disabled and staff female. So those who are using wheelchair, they can enter without any problem. But the other one, they cannot enter. So we have made that logo to differentiate. So those who are using shoot the top to show that all the paint has been done, the mosquito nets and the river bridge.